If you are seeing this video, you've either signed up for Keywords Everywhere, our free keyword tool, or one of your really smart marketer friends has introduced you to it. In this video, you will learn how to set up Keywords Everywhere and why more than 500,000 users are actively using it for effective keyword research. You first need to install the Chrome extension or the Firefox add-on for Keywords Everywhere by following the link on our website, keywordseverywhere.com. Click the Install for Chrome button if you're using the Chrome browser, or the Install for Firefox button if you use Firefox. Once you've installed the extension, you will notice the Keywords Everywhere icon show up at the top right of your browser. The next step is to get your free API key, which will activate this keyword tool. To do this, go to keywordseverywhere.com and click on the link at the top called Get Free API Key. At this page, you need to enter your email address and click the Email Me the Free API Key button. Once done, you will be sent an email with the API key. Sometimes it takes up to 10 minutes for the email to actually arrive at your inbox. Do make sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. If you don't see the email after about 10 minutes, scroll down on this page and click the Resend Me the Email button. Note that this button will only be active after 10 minutes of the first email being sent. Once you've gotten your email, then just click on the link in the email to be taken to our website. Here you will see your API key. Click the Copy API Key button and then click the Keywords Everywhere icon shown at the top right of your browser. A menu will then open. Click the Settings link and at the top of the Settings page, paste your API key. Once you've pasted the key, you need to click the Validate button and a message will show that the API key is valid. You are now ready to use the free keyword tool. Before you start using it, let me take you through some of the important settings. By default, Keywords Everywhere shows you the global search volume everywhere. So when you do a search for any query, it will tell you how many times this query is searched all over the world. If you care only about the search volume in a specific country, you should choose a country from the list shown in the settings page. For example, if your audience is only located in the US, you should select US in the country dropdown. Similarly, you can customize the currency shown in the CPC values by choosing your currency from that dropdown. I'm curious how many of you prefer to see data for a specific country. Go ahead and write down the name of that country in the comments below. That will help us know which country is popular. If you want us to support more countries, go ahead and write that down in the comments as well. Moving on back to the settings page. In the Enable or Disable Metrics section, you can choose whether to hide any of the 3 data points you're shown. That is, you can enable or disable the search volume, CPC, and competition. You can also choose to highlight keywords based on any conditions matching these 3 data points. In the Supported Websites section, you can stop Keywords Everywhere from showing data on specific websites. The Miscellaneous Settings section has additional self-explanatory settings. I won't bore you with them here. If you think Keywords Everywhere should work a little differently, check this section out. It's likely that one of the 500,000 users has asked for this, and we've already implemented it. You're now ready to start using the tool, so let's get started. Start by going to Google and do a search. As you type, Google will show you the suggested keywords, and Keywords Everywhere will add the search volume CPC and AdWords competition data to each of them. When you execute the search, you will see the volume, CPC, and competition data right underneath the search box. You'll also see 2 new widgets to the right, the Related Keywords widget and the People Also Search For widget. This is my personal favorite feature, and it's really useful for finding new content based off my original search. Keywords Everywhere works on loads of different websites. You can see a complete list of supported websites on our homepage at keywordseverywhere.com. Every time we show you the search volume, we also show you this star icon. When you click it, the keyword is automatically saved to your private list. You can then access your private list of keywords anytime by clicking on the link My Keywords in the menu. Your keywords are shown with the global data as well as the data for the country you've chosen in the settings page. In my settings page, you can see that I've chosen US, so it shows me global data on the left and US data on the right. And that's about it for this video. If you find Keywords Everywhere useful, you should definitely check out our advanced SEO browser add-on called SEO Minion. It's even better. Thanks for watching, guys, and best of luck with your keyword research.